we've got a Venn diagram question here. So 30 people in total, 17 study French, that's these people here. 20 study German, that's these people. And then 2 do not study either subject, which has already been put in for us. So we can see that the full amount is going to be, sorry, not the full amount, the bit here is going to be worth 28. And I can use that to help me work out what goes in there. Because we've just said for German it's 20, so all of this is 20, and if the full amount is then 28, that's going to mean that this here is 8, because I've just done 28 minus 20. I've subtracted the German people studying German. So then it all kind of falls out, because this must be 9. It's because these two I need to add to give 17, so it's 17 minus 8 essentially. And then I know that German is worth 20, so this must be 11. I've basically done 20 minus 9, and I've managed to fill in my Venn diagram. Right, this next bit is the next level question. Like, it's not normally when you've got these Venn diagrams, you're just selecting one person. Maybe they throw in some conditional probability, but this is talking about selecting 2 people, and the conditions are pretty complicated. So 2 students are chosen at random, and importantly, that means that essentially we're looking at a problem where they're not going to be replaced. So it's going to be out of 30 the first time, and then out of 29. Very easy to make a mistake and just make them both out of 30. So let's calculate the probability that one of them studies French but not German. So let's say the first person is French but not German. I'm going to use a little like dash there to mean not German. What is the probability of that happening if they were the first person? French but not German would be these 8 people here. It's going to be 8 over 30. And then the other studies German but not French. So that's these 11 people here. And that's going to be 11 over 29, because I've got one less person to pick from. And what we end up doing is multiplying these, because it's like a tree diagram question. Drawing the tree diagram, I think, will be quite complicated and not actually help. But if you practice your tree diagrams and get to grips with what is going on, you learn that you just basically multiply along the tree diagram for these different events. So that's going to be one way. If I pick this person first and then this person, this would be the probability. And now I need to add on if I did it the other way around. If the first person was German but not French, it would actually be 11 out of 30. And then the second person, French but not German, it would be still 8 people, but now this one will be out of 29. And actually, these probabilities are the same. I've just swapped the numbers around, but essentially it's the same answer. And so if I take, hold on, if I do 8 over 30 and I times it by 11 over 29, but then I double it, or I can add on the other one, but it is the same thing, then that will get me the answer, 88 over 435. Okay, it really stepped up in this part B. We're using ideas of tree diagrams that go beyond a lot of the questions. Just think like this happens and then this happens, times them together. Just be aware to not make this 30, but think about the fact that it could be the other way around. So we get this probability as well. So I've not really drawn a tree diagram, but I've used the concept of it, and we got to the answer.